விநாயகர் சதுர்த்தி நல்வாழ்த்துக்களுடன் அபீஸ் டெலிகசியின் வணக்கங்கள். ஹாப்பி கணேஷ் சதுர்த்தி. இன்றைக்கி எங்கள் வீட்டில் கணேஷ் சதுர்த்தி செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணது எக்கோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி விநாயகர் என் குழந்தைங்க செஞ்சாங்க. அண்ட் தென் ஒரு ஸ்டோரி உங்களுக்கு எனாக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, டான்ஸ் பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் கூட பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. பார்த்து என்ஜாய் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் அபீஸ் டெலிகசியை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், இந்த வீடியோவை லைக் பண்ணுங்கள். என்ஜாய் தி வீடியோ.
Hi everyone, happy Ganesh Chaturthi. Today me and my sister are going to enact a small story on Lord Ganesha. As everyone knows, Lord Kubera is the Lord of Wealth and he boasts too much about his wealth. One day he was thinking, how do I show off my wealth to Lord Shiva? Yes, I can invite Lord Shiva for tonight's dinner. So he immediately went to Kailash and called Lord Shiva. Greetings, O Lord. Please accept my invitation for tonight's dinner in my palace. But unfortunately, Lord Shiva couldn't visit Kubera's palace. So Lord Shiva told to Kubera, I am busy this evening, so please take my son Lord Ganesha with you and he will accept the dinner. After that, Kubera prayed to Lord Shiva and he took Lord Ganesha with him. On reaching the palace, Lord Ganesha saw all the preparations and found that Kubera wanted to show off his wealth, so he called Lord Ganesha for dinner. Lord Ganesha wanted to teach him a lesson. Then Lord Ganesha was served dinner. There were many items, Modak, laddus and many more. So Lord Ganesha started eating. He ate and all the food was getting over in the palace. He kept on eating. Every moment the cook had to bring new food. After that, Kubera did not know what to do and he was very surprised to see Lord Ganesha's appetite. So he immediately went and prayed to Lord Shiva, and then Lord Shiva appeared in front of him. Then Lord Kubera prays to Lord Shiva and he tells, "Oh Lord, I apologize. Now I understand that wealth and pride does not bring anything. Good devotion and love is what we need to give to God. Please help me." Then Lord Shiva told to Kubera, "See Kubera, I didn't do anything. It's Lord Ganesha. He wanted to teach you a lesson and now you have to apologize to him. I can't do anything. Oh Lord, please forgive me. Now I have understood my mistake and I will never boast about my wealth and try to show off. Please forgive me." And you serve a handful of puffed rice with all your love. He will forgive you. Lord Ganesha, please accept this puffed rice. Lord Ganesha took the puffed rice, he ate it and he was full. Now see, what Lord Kubera did is, he offered that puffed rice with all his love and devotion and Lord Ganesha accepted it. So we also should pray to Lord Ganesha with all our love and devotion, and our prayers will surely be accepted. Thank you.
வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு எல்லாம் ரொம்ப பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னு நம்புகிறேன். நம்ம முழு பக்தியோட முழு அன்போட கடவுளுக்கு நம்ம என்ன சின்ன பொருள் படைத்தாலும் அவர் சந்தோஷமாக அதை ஏற்றுப்பாருங்கிறத அழகாக சொல்லியிருந்தாங்க. தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங். ப்ளீஸ் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் அபீஸ் டெலிகசி.